kids, welcome to Maths class, and today we'll do time. So in this chapter we are going to learn how to read time, how to add, subtract time, all that. So all the things related to time. As we all know, time is very important in our life. तो इस चैप्टर में हम टाइम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Time play an important role in our life. We plan our daily working according to time. हम टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग अपना जो भी डेली रूटीन है उसको प्लान करते हैं कि हमें कब कब क्या क्या करना है. एज वी गो टू स्कूल एट 8 AM, कम बैक एट 1 PM, वी टेक आर लंच एट 2 PM, वी गो टू प्ले एट 5 PM एंड सो ऑन. So our every activity is planned according to time. Every student reaches time school at time by looking time at watch. We use clocks for time. Clocks are the two different types: analog watch, that needle watch, and digital watch. In previous class, we have read about the clock's conversion of time. In this chapter, we will revise all the matters in brief and read further. Analog clocks, आपने देखा होगा जिसमें numbers होते हैं. That is analog clock have 3 hands. Short hand that shows hour, जिसको hour hand कहते हैं. Long hand that is minute hand, and एक fast moving hand होता है, that is second hand, जो second को show करता है. Each clock has 12 number marked on it from 1 to 12. सभी क्लॉक में आप देखोगे 1 से 12 तक के नंबर्स होते हैं. ईच ऑफ दिस 12 इक्वल पार्ट्स आर अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 स्मॉल डिवीजन. और उनके बीच में हर एक नंबर के बीच में 5 स्मॉल डिवीजन होते हैं. सो द क्लॉक इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 12 into 5, 60 डिविजन्स, एंड ईच डिवीजन रिप्रेजेंट अ मिनट. सो 1 आवर में कितने हो जाएंगे? 60 मिनट, एंड 1 मिनट हैव 60 सेकेंड्स. लुक एट द नीडल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्लॉक. इन दिस क्लॉक द आर हैंड इज बिटवीन 4 and 5. आर हैंड जो है 4 and 5 के बीच में है, एंड द मिनट हैंड इज एट 6. सो मिनट कितने हो जाएंगे? 6 into 5, 30, एंड टाइम क्या हो जाएगा? 4:30. इन दिस क्लॉक द आर हैंड इज बिटवीन 7 and 8, एंड द मिनट हैंड इज एट 10. सो मिनट हो जाएंगे 10 into 5, 50, टाइम हो जाएगा 7:50. नेक्स्ट, यूज ऑफ AM and PM. The term AM is used to express the time between 12 midnight से 12 noon. रात के 12 बजे से दिन के 12 बजे तक के टाइम को हम AM एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. The term PM is used to express the time between 12 noon to 12 midnight. For example, 7:30 in the morning is written as 7:30 AM, and 4:15 in the afternoon is written as 4:15 PM. 8 AM means anti-meridian. AM means, AM का मतलब होता है एंट मेरिडियन. PM means पोस्ट मेरिडियन. 12 o'clock a day time is written as 12:00 noon, not as 12 PM. 12 o'clock at the night is written as 12:00 midnight, not as 12:00 AM. उसको हम AM या PM में नहीं लिखते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज 24-hour clock. Railways, airline, hospitals, soldiers follow the different time system of the clock. They do not use AM, PM. वो क्या करते हैं? 24 आवर टाइम को यूज़ करते हैं. देयर टाइम स्टार्ट एट 12 o'clock midnight and finish at 12 o'clock midnight the next day. Means total 24 hours. This is called 24-hour clock time. 7 AM is written as 0700 hours. 2 PM को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 1400 hours. क्लियर? उसमें हम 12 ऐड कर देंगे. 8 PM is written as 2000 hours. 12 midnight is written as 2400 hours or 0000 hours. Clear? In 24-hour clock, 4 digits are colon. में हम कॉलन लगाते हैं, आर यूज टू राइटिंग द टाइम. द फर्स्ट 2 digits जो होंगी लेफ्ट साइड पे ऑफ द कॉलन, दैट रिप्रेजेंट आर, और जो कॉलन के बाद होंगी 2 digit, दैट विल रिप्रेजेंट द मिनट. नेक्स्ट इज इवोल्यूशन टाइम 13.1. राइट टाइम फॉर ईच क्लॉक. हियर यू कैन सी द क्लॉक इज, the hour hand is between 2 and 3, and the minute hand is at 11. So time is 2:55. Clear? Next, write the following time using AM or PM. 5 o'clock in the morning, so we'll write 5 AM. Next, what time will be? 3 hours after 4:30 AM. 4:30 के बाद 3 hours के बाद कितना होगा? 1 hour के बाद 5:30, 2 hour के बाद 6:30, 3 hour के बाद 7:30 PM. Clear? Next, change 12-hour clock time into 24-hour clock. So we have to change the time into 24-hour clock time, 3:30 am. So we'll write simply as 3:30 hours. Clear? Next, change the 24-hour clock time into 12-hour clock time. 5:30 hours. 5:30 hours means 5:30 am. Clear? Next, conversion of time. 1 year equals to 12 months. 1 month equals to 30 or 31 days. February has 28 to 29 days. 1 year, 52 weeks, 1 day. 1 leap year has 52 weeks and 2 days. 1 week has 7 days. 1 day equals to 24 hours. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. And 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Now, we'll take an example. Convert the following into hours. 5 days, 8 hours. So, in 1 day there are 24 hours. So, 5 days, 5 into 24 plus 8. So, total 128 hours. Next is, you have to practice all these examples given here. Next is evolution time 13.2. Convert the following into hours. 6 days, 7 hours. So, 6 days, in 1 day there are 24 hours. 6 into 24 plus 7. So, that is equals to 7. 151 hours. Clear? Next is, convert the following into minutes. 10 hour 35 into minutes. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So 10 hour 60 into 10 yani 600 plus 35. Total 635 minutes. Clear? Next, convert the following into second. 37 minutes 32 seconds. So in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So 37 into 60 plus 32. Total plus 32. So that is equals to 2, 3 plus 2, 5. 2252 seconds. Clear? Next, convert the following minute into hour and minute. 8164. 8164 minutes we have to convert into hours and minutes. So we'll divide by 60. 60 ones are 60. 180, 6, 36, now 4, 360. Subtract what? 136 hours and 4 minutes. Clear? Next, convert the following seconds into hour, minute and seconds. So we have to convert 8453 seconds into hour and minute and seconds. So divide by 60. 60 ones are 60. Subtract 4, 2. 240. So we'll get 553. Now 53 is less than 60, so we'll put 10. Now 53, that is our second. Now 140 minutes will convert into hour for divide by 60. 120. So that is total हो जाएगा 2 hours 20 minutes and 53 seconds. Clear? Next is convert the following. 3 years 15 days into days. 3 years 15 days into days. In 1 year there are 365 days. So 3 into 365 plus 15. So we'll get the total days. Clear? Next, addition and subtraction of time. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, एट 35 मिनट 48 सेकेंड 28 मिनट 52 सेकेंड. सो एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन इज सेम एज फॉर टाइम इज सेम एज सिंपल एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. टू सेपरेट कॉलम, वन इज फॉर मिनट, वन इज फॉर सेकेंड. मिनट के नीचे मिनट लिखेंगे एंड सेकेंड के नीचे सेकेंड लिखेंगे. नाउ हाउ विल वी एड? 8 + 2 10, 0, 1 carry over, 5 + 4 9 and 1 10. This is second. Now we'll add minute. 8 + 5 13, 3 1 carry over, 3 + 2 5 and 1 6. 63 minutes and 100 seconds. Now we know in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So more than 60 जब भी होगा, so we'll subtract 60 from it. So 60 यहाँ से हम subtract कर देंगे. So 100 - 60 that is equals to 40 seconds हो जाएंगे. एंड जो 1 minute and 40 seconds, 1 minute हम यहाँ पे ऐड कर देंगे. So that is equals to 64 minute and 40 seconds. Clear? Next is evolution time 13.3. Add the following. So 7 + 3 10, 0, 1 carry over, 4 + 3 7 and 1 8, 4 + 2 6, 5 + 3 8. So more than 60 है तो हम क्या करेंगे? That is equals to 1 minute 20, 1 hour 20 minutes. 1 hour 20 minutes. 18 minutes equals to. So 1 hour हम यहाँ पे ऐड कर देंगे. That is equals to 87 hours and 20 minutes. Next is add the following. 9 + 3 12, 2 1 carry over, 5 + 2 7 and 1 8, 8 8 16, 1 carry over, 4 + 2 6 and 1 7, 9 and 2. So 29 ये hours, 76 minutes and 82 seconds. Now arrange करेंगे हम. यहाँ से 60 माइनस करेंगे, 22 seconds. 1 minute हम यहाँ पे ऐड कर देंगे. So that is equals to 77 minute. अब हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ से 60 माइनस करेंगे, that means 17 minute और 1 hour यहाँ पे ऐड कर देंगे. So 30 hours 17 minutes 22 seconds हो जाएगा. Clear? Next, subtract the following. Now we have to subtract 9 - 6, that is 3. 5 - 3, that is 2. Now we'll borrow 6. 6 hour 26 minute 23 seconds. Clear? Next, subtract the following. Hour, minute and second. 33, 29. So we have to subtract 18 hour 54 minute and 56 seconds. Now as we know, we cannot subtract 56 seconds from 29 seconds. So what we'll do? We will borrow 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. So 60 यहाँ पे add हो जाएगा. So that is equals to 9, 6 + 2 8. Total is 89. I'm writing here. Clear? Now यहाँ से 1 minute कम हो जाएगा. That is equals to 32. Now we'll subtract 9 - 6 3 and 3. Clear? Now we cannot subtract 54 minutes from 32. So we'll borrow 1 hour. That is equals to 60. 60 + 32. 60 हम यहाँ पे ऐड कर देंगे. So 92. Clear? And this is 23. Now 92 minus 54. Clear? 8. 5 hour 38 minute 33 seconds. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions. Next is look back. The term AM is used to express the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon. The term PM is used to express the time between 12 noon to 12 midnight. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Now conversion of time. 1 year equals to 12 months, 1 month equals to 30 or 31 days. 1 year equals to 52 weeks, 1 day. 1 leap year equals to 52 weeks, 2 days. 1 week equals to 7 days. 1 day equals to 24 hours. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct answer. AM means nth meridian. So A is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now to practice it.